And that happened in a case that I had that we won the case, happened a few years ago. We actually won on one particular account after appeal, the entitlement to attorney's fees. And there was one small motion lingering in the case before I actually got involved on some attorney's fees that the court awarded but it reserved. And that matter was not resolved. So even after we won the appeal, the attorney said, hey, there's one more thing we need to talk about because that one was not discussed and the court reserved it. So he brought it back again. So we have to deal with that particular option, that particular issue. So what I had to do is renegotiate some of those issues and say, okay, from this point to this point, this is all you have been entitled to. Not entitled for the entire case because the Court of Appeal already reversed that. So we were able to negotiate something and then we got the matter resolved. But the point is that you just talk to your attorney to make sure that there are no lingering motions out there that could be handled post-judgment that surface after the fact. Because then dealing with, I don't know, it's a surprise, but the case law says you can address those after the case has been closed. So just kind of a lesson that I learned, and also it's also a lesson to go forward as well, that there's no pending matters that has not been resolved post-judgment, so you don't have to deal with. I think this is a good for today. The key here is you won your case. I mean, you're going to feel very good about that. The reality, cases are won or lost every day.